Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today in this video lecture we are going to deal with use of definite article the. So in the previous lectures we dealt with where we can use indefinite article, where we can use a or an. Now today this lecture is going to be a detailed lecture, a detailed overview on how can we use definite article the. So let's begin. The first point is here, when a singular noun represents a whole class, we use the. What does it mean? The example is, simple example is here. For example, the cow is a useful animal. Now when we talk about this sentence, the cow is a useful animal, what does it mean? It means that all cows are useful animals, but instead of cows we use the cow. It means that this word cow represents whole class of cows. Are you getting me? It means all cows are useful animals. Accordingly, the second example is, the rose is the sweetest of all flowers. It means all roses are the sweetest of all flowers. Are you getting me? Here the rose represents a whole class of roses. Are you getting me? So we here point out a single noun, and this single noun represents the whole class. Accordingly, you can take different examples. The second point is, the is used with proper names or proper nouns, and I have just wrote it point wise. The category is given here. The first point is that it is used before oceans and seas. For example, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, etc. Are you getting me? The second point is B part. It is rivers. The is used before rivers. For example, the Jhelum, the Vishnu, the Chenab, etc. The third point is, it is used before canals. For example, the Suez Canal, etc. Okay. The next point is, it is used before deserts. For example, the Sahara Desert. Okay, the Arabian Desert, etc. The next point is, it is used before group of islands. It is very important. It may be asked in examination. Here is very important point to be noted, that before countries we do not use any article. Okay, inshallah we will read that in zero article. Before countries we do not use any article. But why do we use the with West Indies? Because apart from being a country, West Indies is actually a group of islands. Are you getting me? Similarly, with the United States of America, it again falls under this category, group of islands. So with the United States of America, we use the. It again, because it is again a group of islands. So remember that except the United States of America and the West Indies, with all the countries we do not use any article. Okay, but remember that the West Indies and the United States of America, these are group of islands. That is why we use the with them. The next point is, with mountain ranges we use the. For example, the Himalayas. So as you know that Himalayas, it is a mountain range. Are you getting me? So with mountain ranges we use the. Clear? The third point is that when we talk about a particular person already referred to, when we talk about a person already referred to, ऐसे इंसान के बारे में हम बात करेंगे जिसका जिक्र हमने ऑलरेडी किया होगा. और गेटिंग मी, इसके बारे में हमने बात ऑलरेडी की होगी, क्योंकि अब ये शख्स जो है हमारे लिए पर्टिकुलर बनता है. जिस शख्स के बारे में हमने ऑलरेडी बात की होगी वो कोई भी शख्स नहीं है, बल्कि वही शख्स के बारे में हमने बात की है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज द मैन हु इज माई टीचर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप अपने फ्रेंड के साथ चल रहे हैं, आपने फ्रेंड को बताया, आप वो देख रहे हो जो वो शख्स वहां पे बैठा है वो मेरा टीचर है. Are you getting me? It means that you are talking about a particular person. Okay, you are talking about a particular person, and we have already talked about that very person. And the next point is, which we already talked about. If you remember, I told you yesterday, the example was that he is the doctor who treated my ankle. It means that we have already referred to that very doctor, and that very doctor is not particular doctor. Okay, accordingly you can make different sentences. Next point about use of a definite article is it is used before superlatives. And when we talk about, there are 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative and superlative. याद रखिए बेटा, जो 3rd डिग्री है एडजेक्टिव्स की, फॉर एग्जांपल गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, द बेस्ट थिंग, अगर हम बात करेंगे सुपरलेटिव्स की, द फास्टेस्ट, द लोएस्ट, द हाईएस्ट, द रिचेस्ट, द पुअरेस्ट, the quickest, the slowest, etc. Remember that before superlative degrees we use the, for example, when we talk about cheetah is the fastest animal. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Or we can say the best friend is one, etc. Or you can say that he is my. Now here is a question. Here's a question that why don't we use that he is my the best friend? Remember that my, his, their, these are all possessive. Remember that when superlative degree comes before possessive, we do not use the. We cannot say that he is my the best friend. No, he is my best friend, because my is, come on, my, it is because my is possessive pronoun, and with possessive pronouns, whenever we talk about possessive pronouns, if a superlative degree comes before a possessive pronoun, we do not use the with them. It is an exception. So we cannot say that he is my the best friend, because my is possessive. Okay. The next point is that definite article the is used with ordinals. So if we talk about ordinals, the example is here: the first, the second, the third, the fourth. For example, who is the first chief minister of India? Are you getting me? Accordingly, whenever we talk about ordinals, the first, the second, the fourth, the fifth, the 10th, we use the with them. The next point is that we use the with musical instruments. For example, the violin, the guitar, etc. Okay. The next point is that we use the as an adverb with superlatives. Remember that whenever we talk about superlatives, and so we use it as an adverb with, sorry, it is not superlatives, with comparatives. Okay, so we use it as an adverb with comparatives. Now the sentence is here: the higher you go, the cooler it is. Remember these both words, higher and cooler. Are you getting me? They are both comparative degrees. So whenever we talk about, whenever we use these comparative degrees as an adverb, we always use the before these comparative degrees. For example, the higher you go, the cooler it is. Or we can say that whenever you find, the simple point to remember is that whenever you find there is used superlative degree, sorry, comparative degree twice, always use the before those both comparative degrees. Or we can say that the human being is very greedy. Okay, the human being is very greedy. The more he gets, the more he wants. Okay, so again we use two comparative degrees. So whenever we talk about these two comparative degrees, and when we use them as an adverb, okay, we use the before these comparative degrees. So by this we have come to the conclusion that the usage of definite article the is much larger than indefinite article. Inshallah, in the next lecture we shall deal with where we have to skip both articles. It means that there are certain cases where we don't use any article, where we don't use either indefinite article or definite article. Inshallah, I will see you in the next lecture, and we shall sum up the main important points regarding this topic in detail. Till then, take care and fi amanillah.